Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our app, you can easily import tasks using CSV or Excel file. You can see here our module Dev import task. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects and see here this menu import task. In iPhone to import, total available tasks 4. Task 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 are imported here. So go to this menu. Now add your project like an iPhone to import in Office Design. And here available total 2 types import type CSV and Excel. iPhone to import using CSV file. Now upload here your file and assign to in Michelle. And now click on this import task button. Now go to this Office Design and see here this task 1, 2, 3 and 4 successfully imported into Office Design. Thank you.